camera's about to die, so we're gonna have to do this in 90 seconds or less. So the makeup tutorial that I just did was on this look right here. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I'm not a professional. If you have any tips, tricks, or ideas, please link them down below, and I will gladly put them to use the next time I do my makeup. But this is the look. It's like an hour old right now. So this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hi guys, I look really ashy right now because yeah, I just set my eyes with, and this makes me look really ashy, but it's the Tarte Smooth Operator setting powder. So I just set around my mouth and my eyes, so I look really crazy right now. As I always state, it's my mantra. I'm not a makeup artist. I just do what I do, what makes me happy for me. But with that said, we're gonna be trying some new products today. We're gonna be trying the Born This Way concealer, the new formula. I didn't have the first one, but so this is my first time trying this, and this is in Chestnut. And we're trying this. We're also going to be trying this to contour. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Dark 3 to contour. We're trying that. Now I use their Radiant Creamy Concealer in a Monday to do my brows and to highlight my face. We're also going to be trying the new Violet Voss Flamingo Eye Palette. I'll go ahead and show you guys this now. I mean, these colors are beautiful. So I guess we're doing a colorful look, but that is the eye palette. I mean, just let's look at the pigment of some, like, look at that. That's pretty. And then let's do the darker green, because I think I know where I'm going with this look, but look at that. Oh, focus. Well, if my fingers stop shaking. Look at that pigment. And then that's the light blue again. I'm going to be trying the Jackie Aina Too Faced collab in the 9 extend, in the, not the 9, but in the extended colors. She did, she is a big advocate for our dark-skinned African-American community, and she did collaborate with Too Faced to make 9 deeper, more sister-friendly colors with Too Faced Born This Way foundation. So I'm not sure what color I am. So I did get hazelnuts and I did get spiced rum. I'm going to try them both. I'm not sure what color I am. This is a little bit more red. This is a little bit more yellow. And it just, depending on what my skin is doing, depends if I'm red or yellow. So we're gonna try it. This is actually Sephora. Last time I had my color match done at Sephora, this was actually Sephora's pick for me for my color match ID. That's why I got this one. I was actually watching Jackie Aina's video. I never realized, I was like, oh, we're almost the same color. But I think she's a little, maybe a lot bit, maybe a tiny bit lighter than me. So I was watching her swatches and I was like, ooh, this look more my color. So we'll see. Anytime you're buying foundations online, you're kind of running the chance of not getting the right color, getting the color too light, too dark, too red, too yellow, too neutral. So we shall see. So those are the new products that we're using, and if you're interested in seeing what I'm going to be doing today, keep watching. Okay guys, so I figured I would talk through this part because I'm going to try the foundations. Now only thing I noticed was, can y'all help me find where it says Love Jackie on this bottle? Cause I'm like, did I miss it? But I watched her video to make sure that I was getting the we're just gonna do a little bit, like, oh, that looks really red on the side of my face. That looks really red. Oh, that looks really red. That looks really weird. Let's blend it out and see what it looks like blended before I put that all over my face. But I watched her video to make sure that I was buying the ones that were from her line. Oh, that's really red. I feel like that's even different here. I'm putting it on my chest to see. Oh, that's really red. I like that. That's really, let me see on this mount. That looks really, to me, it looks really red. It could be, see how it looks if I do a little like, I feel like that's really, really red on me. So let's see. I'm going to test out. So that was hazelnut. I'm going to test out spice rum. That looks really yellow. We shall see. Let's see, people. Wow. I don't really know which one. What do you guys think? Hazelnut? Spiced rum? I'm not really sure. I know you can see like this one. I feel like this one looks a little bit more red. This one looks a little bit more yellow, which is crazy. So these are them together. This is spiced rum. This is hazelnut. And I guess it makes sense because hazelnut is a little bit more red. So I think I'm going to go ahead and use. didn't get dressed. Like, I just wanted to show you guys because this eye is going through it because it's irritated. So my lash don't want to stick. I don't know if you guys can tell, my eyes are getting watery. So it's going through it, y'all. I didn't get all dolled up and all of that stuff. I didn't, because I was just like, nope. Let me show them, so let me zoom in. Ignore this lash. I told you guys it's coming. It don't want to stick. But you guys get to see it not sticking. But you guys get the picture. So I like the foundations from the collection, but I think I'm going to stick with spiced rum and not hazelnut. Like I said, because I have a hypoactive thyroid, my neck has always been a different color from my chest and my face. It's always going to be a tinge darker. So there's kind of not really nothing that I can do about that. Which is why you saw me take my foundation and kind of pull it down some on my neck. So yeah, I think it came out okay. Like I said, I'm not a makeup artist, so if you don't like it, if you feel like it's not blended well, if you feel like, you know, something's not blended anywhere, just let me know in the comments down below. Because like I said, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm trying to learn this craft called makeup. It's been a minute since I've done anything makeup related. So yeah, so this is it. Let me zoom back in. I think it's cute, but you know, to each his own. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.